What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a very cool idea for the engineers over at Apple in regards to the Apple Pencil 2. Now I realize that from their point of view, I'm just another Apple fanboy or minion. But either way, it's still a really awesome idea from a big fan of the Apple brand. See what I did there? Rhyme? No, didn't work. Now don't get me wrong, I love my Apple Pencil and I use it all the time with my iPad. But I mean, seriously, who thought up the idea of charging the Apple Pencil by plugging it into the iPad? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, but that sounds like a problem waiting to happen. Because I mean, one false move and you either destroy your Apple Pencil or you totally bust up your lightning port. Which is why I think it would be so cool if Apple implemented wireless charging into this year's Apple Pencil 2. Now I know, they may be thinking like, why have wireless charging in a stylus of all things? But just let it sink in there, because if you really start to think about it and think of the possibilities that this offers, then it would honestly be so cool to not have to plug it into lightning port of the iPad. If you've ever been to an Apple store and you walk over to the iPad Pro section and they got the Apple Pencil being cradled by that little pad thing where it's kind of curved, I think that it would be so cool if Apple took that exact thing but just put wireless charging into there. That's just my opinion, let me know what you think, but at least to me, I think that would be so cool and such an awesome solution. Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to stick around because I have a lot of awesome content coming out very soon that you will definitely not want to miss. And like always, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below. And I'll see you next one. Peace out.